Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Tech Baby, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist in YouTube. Playlists are good for if you want to categorize a specific set of videos based off a specific topic, or just keep videos together in a playlist for your channel. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I am about to create a playlist on how to start a YouTube channel in 2025, and this will be my first video. So what you're gonna do is, once you actually get ready to upload the video and you click create, you'll get to this screen where you put all your details in. And when you get to this part right here where it says playlist, so it's add your video to one or more playlists to organize your content for viewers, you'll hit select, and then down here you're going to click new playlist. And you hit new playlist again, and then you're going to name the playlist. So I'm going to put how to create a YouTube channel for beginners. All right, and then you put your description in there. Same thing. And then right here is your visibility. So if you want it to be public, private, or unlisted, in this case we want it to be public, and then we're going to leave our date published to the newest, and we're going to click create. All right, so now we have our playlist created. We're gonna click done. So now every time you want to upload a video, especially to that playlist, you already have it created, and now all you have to do is link each new video that you want in that playlist to that playlist when you go to upload it. So well, y'all, that is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was helpful and beneficial to you in some type of way. So feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you actually tried it. What happened? Did it work? Did it not work? And I know with technology, it can get irritating and frustrating, and you probably ready to pull your hair out. But just know that you can do it if you try, and if you practice, and if you be consistent and just keep trying it. Just keep trying it, and before you know it, you will actually master it, and you will be like, dang, I really am good at this. I really can do this. Okay, so just know that I believe in you. You can do it. Take a break if you need to, but get right back in there and try it and keep trying it. Just don't give up. Whatever you do, just don't give up, okay? So remember, until next time, do not stress, because with Tech Baby, you will become the best. I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye.